Hello, Joe from Joe K Models here. Alrighty, so I'm going to be continuing on the cockpit assembly here. And the way that I'm going to break this out, I've already looked it over. You can see I've marked the colors down. I'm not too worried about the colors just yet because I want to work on the actual assemblies first. I'm going to prime it, paint it, and then get to these detail paintings. So, I do have them marked, but not too worried about that. This bottom piece that goes on the floor, that's going to be the rudder pedals. I'm going to be doing that as a piece here. Here we get into some photo etch. This looks to be like the compass, I believe, which will actually go into this part right here. And so this is going to be the second sub-assembly. So I'm going to be putting together all of the rudder stuff and the control stick and getting that as one. And then the second one would be like kind of this front console structure here. And then the third one is going to be the seat and everything that entails. So this back piece and, the seat and everything like that. So I'm going to get right to it and let's get started. Hey guys, just wanted to stop real quick and let you guys know that make sure to pay attention to where these notches are on these foot pedals. As you can see, there's some notches on the side here and they're facing forward. So when you're putting together the rudder pedals, which this is an excellent fit by the way, it just went right into place. I just put the glue on, but you'll see like those little notches over there. Make sure that those are forward facing. So continuing on. Okay, and here we are. We're finally to our first photo etch parts, and I just want you to look at the detail on these. Very good. Very, very excited to use these. So the first pieces that we're going to be using are these, I guess they're foot straps that go on the rudder pedals, and they actually give you 4 of them, and you only need 2. You can see that there's an end that's enclosed and then there's an end that's open. And if we look at how they're saying to put this together here, the closed part is going to be going on the looks like the outside there, and then the open part over here. So since these are photo etch parts, I'm going to be using some CA glue, super glue, to get those in place. And you might be able to super glue one side here and then just pull the other around, but I think I'm going to try and play it a little bit safer than that. And I have a round sander, and if you look here, if I put this up to that part right there, If I bend this around, if I bend the photo etch around this, it should be easier to put in place. So that's what I'm going to try with this. Alright, that's one sub-assembly down. Got the photo etch in there. Got this whole piece ready to go. This is actually going to connect to some of the dashboard pieces, and then it's going to fit into this cradle right about here somewhere. So you can already start to see like what the detail on this is going to look like, and I think it's going to be really good. And just kind of looking a little bit ahead here, I mean, when you start to imagine all of these gizmos in here, and you know, you got that part in there, the detail is going to be really good. So I'm excited to keep going. I'm going to stop it right here, and then I'm going to work on the seat sub-assembly on the next one. But I am very happy with how this is going so far, but I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. This is Joe from Joe K Models.